crew. So today I'm giving you a quick show and tell of this unit that I'm wearing, and I'm also going to be doing a Q&A on some questions that you guys asked me. This segment is called Ask Nene, and I do this on my Instagram. I decided to bring it to my channel from now on so that I can interact with you guys more up close and personal. So this unit is by Freetress Equal. This is an oldie but goodie. This is FOLAMI, and I have it in the color OP430. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and I'll tell you a little bit about the wig as we go through. Also guys, I just want to let you know that this is just my advice. This is a disclaimer. If you do not agree with my advice, you do not have to take it by all means, but I'm just telling you what, in my opinion, I would do in these situations or what has happened to me. So the first question says, can you make middle parts into a side part when the wig is made for a middle part? And if I keep looking down, guys, I'm looking at my phone. I have the questions loaded on my other phone. So you can, it just depends on your preference. A lot of wigs, especially synthetic, are made for only one parting space. So like this one, for example, is made for a side part. If I wanted to make it a middle part, it's going to alter the length of these layers and also the length of the hair overall. So if I were to move this as a middle part, one side, probably this one is going to be longer than the other. So if you absolutely must have it as a middle part, like if you're just like, girl, I just don't wear side parts, you might have to do some altering, as in cutting the longer side, cutting some layers, and making it look even, but it's just up to you. Okay, the next question says, can you review It's a Wig Kahlo, K-A-H-L-O? I've actually never heard of that unit. I haven't done a lot of It's a Wig units in a long time. No specific reason. It's just I don't know, I just haven't reviewed them in forever. So if that's what you guys want, I definitely can look into it. I'm looking for it. It's a wig now, and that I can't remember the name of the wig, but it starts with a K and it's in a really pretty color. So I may be bringing some more It's a Wig to you guys. If I can find that wig, I'll definitely try to review it for you. So another review request is, can you review Bobbi Boss Katana? I've also haven't heard of that one either, but I do review a lot of Bobbi Boss wigs. So if I can find it, I'll definitely get it for you guys. If you have any like wigs you really want to see reviewed, make sure you guys comment them below as well. Okay, the next question says, how tall are you? So I'm 6'2". If you guys watch a lot of my videos, you probably already know that. I am super tall. I've always been tall. I don't know how or why, because everybody in my family is not tall, but I'm really tall. So when I wear super long units, you guys see it's like down to my hips, please know I'm 6'2". So if y'all are like 5'2", it's gonna be to your kneecaps. Like, it's long, okay? So yeah, just a disclaimer. Okay, next question says, I heard when you buy colors that are not natural, they tend to tangle and shed more than natural colors. Is this true, and have you experienced it? So I have experienced that. Sometimes when I want a wig that's going to be long lasting, I purposely don't get bold colors, because I have just experienced that they are thinner, shinier, shed more, tangle more, which is super annoying. But y'all know I love my bold colors, so sometimes I just endure it. Sometimes it is going to vary by the brand, so it just depends. But yes, in my experience, that is true. So the next question says, can you talk about Greek life and college? I'm a freshman. So guys, I went to an HBCU. I graduated with my bachelor's in biology, and I graduated in the 4-year span. I was on a full scholarship. So my college life was basically freshman year, I was a bookworm. I stayed studying all the time. I kept a 4.0 my whole entire school year because of my scholarship and because I just didn't want to disappoint my family. So my scholarship, I had to keep a 3.5 GPA, and I had to do like 40 hours of community service per semester. So it's like 80 hours a year. So I was really like just super determined and very focused freshman year. Sophomore year is when I actually became a member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, and I was a sophomore then, and I think I was like 20 or 21, but yeah, that's when I actually became a member. And I could tell you a million reasons why I joined that sorority, but one reason why that kind of goes along with the college experience. When I first came in as a freshman, they were just the nicest people ever. They helped me move into my room. They didn't even know me, and ever since then I was just in love with them. They were just the sweetest girls ever, and they had a lot of the different attributes that I wanted to have as a woman. And so yeah, I became a member, and I'm still a member now. I'm an active financial member. I am in a graduate chapter as of now. Junior year was kind of just like a blur. I made a whole bunch of new friends. I was Greek, so a lot of things changed. If you guys want to know all the details on that, make sure that you comment below. Senior year, I became president of my chapter. and that was just an amazing experience. I was able to gain so many leadership goals, and just amazing. Travel, amazing. It was just great. And then I graduated. So yeah, that's my college sum up right there. Okay, the next question says, can you do more videos with your boyfriend? You guys are funny. So y'all, I can do more videos with Dominique, but y'all gonna have to convince him because he's not a diehard YouTuber like I am. Like, YouTube is my passion. I'm in this for the long haul. I'm not gonna be one of those YouTubers that just drop off the face of the earth, you know, and don't do a video for like 7-8 months. I am in this for the long run. Like, I'm going to be a full-time YouTuber, period. But Dominique is not really as creative as, I don't know, he's just not really like a YouTuber type of person. So he'll do it when he feels like it, but y'all gonna have to convince him because I be telling him, like, you're really funny. Okay, the next one says, can you review Zuri Sis Gina? I actually have reviewed Zuri Sis Gina. I will place the card above and show you guys a little clip around here somewhere. That wig is bomb, y'all. I was feeling like a whole snack. Like, that wig is bomb. Okay, the next one says, can you do a 1-month update on the daily wig line by Outre? I definitely can. A lot of you guys requested that. I have reviewed 2 wigs from that line so far. The first one was Yvonne, the second one was Tiara. Yvonne is my favorite so far, so if you guys want to see more, I can do that, and the update, I can do that as well. Just give me a little bit of time, okay? And the last one. So, how do you take care of synthetic wigs? I have a straight synthetic wig that I bought from my beauty supply store, and I sleep in mine. So, guys, y'all might not agree with me, but I take care of my synthetic wigs by, I don't ever sleep in them at all. Not just to take care of them, but because it's really uncomfortable for me to sleep with a wig on my head, so I don't sleep in mine at all. I use a hairnet. I brush my hair out before I put the hairnet on it at night, and I put it on a wig stand, or I put it back in the packaging. That seems to work for me. You can also try washing. You can try, they have wig spray specifically for synthetic hair that helps revitalize them. I have one that is seriously the best. I've been using it for years. If you guys want to know about it, make sure you comment below. And yeah, there are a lot of different things you can do. So thank you guys so much for watching my first Q&A. If you want to know more about me, make sure you drop your questions below. And if you want to see more Q&As, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.